Hello everyone, my name is Faith Toby Marie Ticatubig from Batasan Hills National High School. I'm here to introduce the parts and function of a flat iron and its common trouble. First, what is the flat iron? Flat iron is the domestic appliance used to press clothes. Let's go to the parts of the flat iron and its function. First, the AC line cord. It is used to connect the unit to power source. Second, the selector switch. It is used to select the amount of heat. Third, the thermal fuse. It is used to protect the unit from damage when short circuit occurs. Fourth, the heating element. It is a form of nichrome wire that provides heat. It is used to adjust the amount of heat of the flat iron. Bimetallic strip. It curves when the flat iron reaches the amount of heat needed based on the switch. Contact strip is connected to the switch and to the mica heater. The sole plate. It is a base metal that serves as fabric pressing part made of metal. 6. The handle. It is used to carry or control the unit. And then the last, the body. It is used to protect the internal parts. So now, this flat iron has a trouble. So we need to pre-test to know the trouble. So this flat iron has low heat. We will check the thermostat to adjust the heat. So this is the thermostat and I will adjust it. So we're done to adjust the thermostat. So let's begin the testing again. Now, this flat iron had enough heat unlike before. Thanks for watching.